Hi, welcome to Kixie in a Minute. Today, we're looking at Kixie's number blocking feature. Whether you're trying to stop an inbound spammer or ensure your team never dials a strict do not call contact, managing your blocked list is critical to keeping your operations clean and compliant. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you the 2 different locations where you can block a number, how to specifically choose what you're blocking them from, like inbound calls versus SMS, and how to remove a number from the block list if you make a mistake. Let's jump in. So first, you're going to go to app.kixie.com. And if you're a manager or an admin, you're going to go to Manage Numbers Blocked. So from the blocked numbers page, you can see any numbers that have already been blocked on your account, including when they were blocked and what they are blocked from. And to add a new blocked number, you will click this plus add button in the top right corner. So first you will select the country, and then you'll enter the number that you want to block here. And it must include the country code, but without the plus in front. So for the US, it would just be a 1. And if you want to block multiple numbers at once, you can do so by just entering them right underneath, like this. And then at the bottom, you can select the block number rules. So if someone has requested that you don't contact them anymore, you can block them from outbound calls and or SMS. And if you don't want a phone number to be able to contact you anymore, you can block them from inbound calls and or SMS. Then go ahead and click Save. And you'll see your most recently blocked contacts at the top here. If you want to edit the block number rules, you can simply click this pencil icon. If you want to delete a block number, you can click this trash icon. You can also bulk delete block numbers by selecting them here and clicking delete. And a couple more things, you can download a CSV of your block numbers here, and you can also search for a number here. And that's how to block a number in the dashboard. If you're an agent, you can block a number directly in the dialer. You can go to call history or SMS history, identify the number that you want to block, and click on this view contact icon. And then you can edit the block number rules at the bottom here and click update. That's it for today. Properly managing your block numbers protects your team's time, maintains compliance, and keeps your reps focused on the conversations that actually matter. Thanks for watching Kixie in a Minute.